The solar-powered robot destroys weeds without chemicals. Farming's AI revolution begins. Out in the sun-dried fields of California, a new kind of farmhand is on duty. It's not human, it doesn't use fuel, and it certainly doesn't need lunch breaks. It's the Element robot from Aigen, a solar-powered AI-guided weeding machine helping farmers tackle one of agriculture's oldest problems without chemicals. With fewer people willing to do manual weeding and herbicides losing their edge against stubborn weeds, farmers have been in a bit of a bind. That's where Aigen steps in. Their mission: replace chemicals with clean tech. The Element robot runs entirely on solar power and uses onboard AI to identify and eliminate weeds accurately and efficiently without harming the crops. It's already working in cotton, soy and sugar beet fields, and it's tough enough to handle rough terrain and unpredictable weather. At Bowles Farm in California, these robots are delivering results today, reducing chemical use, cutting labour costs and collecting valuable crop data along the way. So while it might not wear overalls, the robot is bringing real muscle to modern farming, and it does it all under the power of the sun. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.